What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we have a F100 1972. This truck actually has had a previous sunroof installed. Let's check it out. This truck has had a sunroof previously installed. I guess some guy from Mexico installed it. You can see anybody can spot the problems. The first problem, it's way too forward. So when it opens up to about right here. So what we're gonna end up doing is removing the roof. We're gonna take this whole roof off, start fresh. And you can see the way they did their work, it was not good at all. At least if you do it this way, spray some paint in here, primer, so it don't rust. But yeah, this is no good at all. But people try, so can't blame them. You gotta start somewhere. So we're gonna get this customer right. We're gonna remove the roof, take all this out, all the way out to probably out here. Re-weld the roof we have, and then re-weld the roof all the way around, grind it down, a little bit of bodywork, prime it, and then we'll cut the hole for a brand new sunroof install. We're going to go with a brand new install on this 72 Ford. This thing is badass. If you can see that, it is diesel. And the engine on this is crazy. It is obviously, it's a diesel, so it does, you know, have a turbo, but this thing has two turbos in it. This thing is nasty. Check it out. This thing is nasty. One turbo. Second turbo's at the bottom. Check it out. There's the other turbo at the bottom and the turbo on top. Cummins. Crazy. This is a crazy truck. I imagine the power it has for a little short bed. So yeah, guys, we have another truck that we're working on. Super busy. I had to hire another guy, my neighbor, Frankie. Shouts out to him. He's been helping me out on these builds because I'm being left behind with all the work I got. He's out there cutting the roof, and then it's got a little bit of rust underneath. We're gonna sand that down and then spray some primer on it. But this thing is crazy. We're doing a panoramic on this one. We're gonna be doing stars and a Titan window. Yes, a Titan window on an F250. Stay tuned for that video. But this thing is crazy. Alright, guys, we got the sunroof taken out. We took out the drain hoses. It's a garden hose. We got the inside cut out. I cut the back out. Nice clean lines. I cut the front out. That little section can come out right there. You can see where I cut it to get all this gunk out. All that out. Start fresh. We'll spray some rust prevention so it don't keep on coming. We'll spray some in the back. Cut that out. This whole thing is gonna come off. We'll put the other one in and we'll weld it right to the cab. Smooth it out, bodywork it, prime it, and then we'll cut the hole out for the new sunroof. Check it out, guys. Here is the new roof we're going to be putting in. It's not new, it's used, but we did clean it up. Had a couple rust spots. Primed it all up. We're going to go ahead and install it on top of the roof, cut it out close enough to where we can get a nice good clean weld so we can go ahead and weld it all the way around. We'll grind it down real smooth, a little bit of filler, very light filler, and then we'll go ahead and cut the roof part out for the new sunroof. Alright guys, we got the roof cut off. Check it out. Damn. And like I expected, it does have a lot of body filler. A lot on the back. The front has it the worst. Right there, it's got a lot, almost 3/4 of an inch. So I'm trying to take all that off. That way when I put a new bead, since it's gonna be right to the new roof, it's gonna be real thin, hopefully less than 1/4 inch. But this thing has a lot of bondo. All right, let's put the roof on. See how it fits. All right guys, as you guys can see, we got the roof welded in. Bodywork is in place. Working on the bodywork right now. All right guys, we got a second coat of body filler. Sand it down.
You don't have any filler left, right?
No. We could add some spot putty.
Okay.
Check it out. Looks good. Some low spots. Everything else is nice and feathered out. We'll go ahead and tape it off and prime it. Alright guys, we got the first coat of primer down. Check it out. It's looking good. We do have some pinholes. We're gonna let it dry. We'll put some red spot putty, sand it down, and then we'll throw another layer of primer. And we'll wet sand it. And then we'll cut the roof for the sunroof. Alright, check it out. Bodywork's done, primed. Cut the hole out for the new sunroof. Check it out. Like if it was never there. Cherry. I'm gonna install the sunroof now. Alright guys, install's done. Came all badass. Check it out.
Perfect.
We did add some bracings just because it's a big opening and the roof did not have any bracings at all. So we did add 4 bracings here, 2, 3, 4. And now this thing is